Thanks for visiting our website. At CMC Communications, we offer a full line of IT products and professional installation services for all your business needs. Professional installations. We provide professional installation services for voice and data cabling, fiber optics inside and outside plants, voice over IP cloud managed phone systems, a full line of cloud managed switches, routers, APs, cameras, wireless bridges, and Wi-Fi controllers, feathering Ubiquiti Unify and Cisco Meraki. CMC Communications is a certified master reseller for all business internet service providers. So if you're having a hard time finding an ISP in your area or a good price, we can help you get the internet speed you need at the best price. Cloud managed solutions. We also offer cloud managed solutions for everything you can think of. If you have poor cell phone reception or even no cell phone signal at all, we can fix that with our full line of in-building cell phone repeaters and fiber optic distributed antenna systems featuring Corning Mobile Access, CommScope, SureCall, Wilson Pro, and ZenWave products. Audio-video solutions. Finally, we offer a full line of audio-video solutions for your conference rooms and sound masking needs. So if you can hear conversations through walls, can't concentrate because of loud noises, or are worried about speech privacy, we can fix that with our line of commercial and office sound masking systems and acoustical paneling. We offer full design services, service packages, and certification testing. So if you're serious about getting your office built out right the first time, please call us today. Our services offer the most streamlined, newest IT practices available in today's market, saving you time and money with your IT budget. Please call or email us today at 800-781-8431 or info@cmctelco.com. Financing and leasing is available.